Hi, welcome to my model horse. Today we are making miniature polo wraps with our DIY kit. So let's get started. In this tutorial we are making polo wraps for Breyer horses traditional scale 1/9. It's exactly the same process for polo wrap scale 1/20 like Schleich, it's just smaller. First, let's see what's inside the kit. We have the instructions, the pre-cut fabric, miniature velcros, ribbon and pins, the V-trap. All you need is a bit of glue and a pair of scissors. Now let's start crafting. Take the ribbon. Cut 4 pieces of 1 cm each for Schleich and 1.2 cm for Breyer. Take one of the ribbons, cut off the edges on one side to form a pointy shape. Repeat this with every piece of ribbon. Now take a piece of fabric. Lay it flat. Take one end and add a line of glue on the edge. Now fold the corners inward to create a pointy end. Secure with a miniature pin. Allow the glue to dry. Repeat this with every piece of fabric. Now let's add the ribbon. Glue the ribbon down on the right side of the leg wrap, near the end of the strap. Repeat this with every piece of ribbon. Cut 2 rectangles of V-trap. Glue a piece of V-trap on the pointy end on the wrap, on the wrong side, opposite to the ribbon. Secure with a pin and let it dry. Now place the leg wrap around your horse's leg. Use duct tape to secure the wrap, roll it around the leg. The polo wrap must be on the outside and going from front to back. Keep rolling. Stop at the last rep. Mark the measurement with a pencil on the fabric. Glue 1 rectangle of V-trap down on the right side of the strap, on the mark you just made. Now wrap the polo wrap again around your horse's leg to make sure the measurements are right. On the last wrap, the straps have to face each other if you want them to grip. If you misplace them, gently remove the V-trap on the right side of the fabric and try again to attach the leg wrap right away. If it's not sticky enough for you, replace it with the mini velcros. Now that you have completed the first polo wrap, you can use it as a pattern for the remaining 3 wraps. Repeat all the steps for the 3 other polo wraps. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that this creation will be the first of many.
If you like tag making, don't forget to check out our website for more tag kits, collect model horses, and 3D prints. Bye!